Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare a delicious fish fry. First, select fresh fish fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick, such as cod or tilapia. Next, gather your essential ingredients, all-purpose flour, fine cornmeal, and your favorite seasonings. Finally, set up a simple dredging station with 3 shallow dishes for a smooth and organized cooking process. This preparation ensures a crispy and flavorful result. Now, let's perfect the breading. In your first dish, combine flour with salt, pepper, and any desired spices. The second dish will hold a beaten egg wash. For the third, mix cornmeal with more seasoning for extra crunch. Dip each fillet into the flour, then the egg wash, and finally coat it completely in the cornmeal mixture. Press gently to ensure the breading adheres well. It's time to fry. Heat about 1.5 inches of vegetable oil in a large skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully place a few breaded fish fillets into the hot oil, ensuring you don't overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. This method guarantees a perfectly crispy exterior. Once your fish is fried to perfection, carefully remove it from the oil. Place the fillets on a wire rack or paper towels to drain any excess oil, keeping them wonderfully crisp. Serve your delicious fish fry immediately with fresh lemon wedges and a dollop of creamy tartar sauce. For a complete meal, consider adding classic sides like coleslaw or crispy French fries. Enjoy your homemade feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.